In this set of videos, I'll be creating a GarageBand composition using my iPad. So first off, we're going to launch GarageBand. After we've launched it, you'll be presented with any of the compositions that you've already done. And what you want to do is, for a new composition, of course, is hit the plus button in the top left corner. Under that, create new song. For this type of composition that we'll be creating, I'm not going to be using live loops, I'll be using tracks instead. So it doesn't really matter which instrument we start with, because I'll be using loops for the entire thing. But you sort of have to select an instrument basically to start with. And then once again, to work with loops, you won't be able to just start with this screen. You'll have to go to the track screen, but the track screen isn't available until you record something. So I just hit the record button and I just kind of can play a couple of little things. Great, that's awesome. And then now in the top left hand corner beside my songs, you can see there's the instrument sort of select button. But then there's also now this tracks view button, and if I hit on the tracks view button, it comes up with the tracks. Okay, now 2 bass tracks, but I'm going to delete those in just a moment. The next thing that I want to do is actually set up my different sections. All right, I'll be creating 5 sections in this composition. So first section will be my introduction, my intro. Then verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. So I go over to the plus button on the far right hand side of the screen, and you can see section A is already set up as 8 bars. So I'm going to add 4 more sections to that. Now once I've selected those sections, they all automatically come up as 8-bar sections in this case, but I don't want 8 bars just for the purpose of this video. I'm just going to make them a lot shorter. So my intro and outro are both going to be 2 bars long. My bridge, which I'm just for the moment I'm going to put as section D, is going to be 2 bars long as well. And my verse and choruses, my verse section B will be 4 bars long, followed by my chorus section C will be also 4 bars long in length. Now at the moment, as you can see on this screen as well, the song sections, you can also select all sections, and when I tap back on the main screen, it'll be showing me my entire song. But it's actually quite good to work with just one section at a time. For example, I'm going to start with the verse, which is section B. So just click on section B, touch back on the main screen, and it expands just my verse section. So that kind of makes it nice and easy to work with. All right, and that's how you sort of set up your song. In the next section, we'll have a look at how we can add loops to that now and create our first little section, our verse section.